All right, here we go. One, one more for Southpaw. He wanted the first box right here. Southpaw 4600. Good luck to you, buddy. Amari Cooper. Is that Tyler Lockett, Tyler Croft, Bryce Petty, Cam Newton. Jamison Crowder, blue. Marcus Peters was your mini. Alex Carter and Kelvin Johnson die cut. Austin Hill. Tyler Lockett, Austin Hill, first auto. This guy right here, David Johnson. It's a big dude. Tony Lippett, Malcolm Brown, Matt Forte die cut. Desmond Lewis, Levi Norwood. Levi Norwood. It's really cool. If you look at his helmet, you can see the field in it. Randy Gregory, Andrus Pete, that's the 199. Jay Ajayi. Got a couple guys in their new uniforms, Andre Johnson and where'd he go? There he is, Jimmy Graham. What's up, Oobler? Ooble's in the house. What's up, buddy? Danny Shelton, Stephon Diggs, Danny Shelton, big dude. Is it going to be a mini auto? Is it going to be a color auto? Is it going to be a dud? Shaq Thompson, Monty Ball gold 50, 75 to 50, 44 out of 50. Bishop Sankey. Calling a red, huh? Just calling a red. Finest baseball is going to be next. There's only like, I don't know, 2 or 3, maybe 4 spots left. Nate Orchard, Cameron Artis Payne to 99. Lorenzo Maldine to 99. Aaron Rodgers, ice. There are red. It's the red wave. Right there, he called it. It's a red wave. Boom. And let's see who your mini is. Mini is Devin Smith. Go Bucks. And your red auto is Duke Johnson, 23 out of 50. Nice. Duke Johnson. There you go. So you got the Duke Johnson Red Wave to 25, Lorenzo Maldine, Cameron Artis-Payne, both to 99 to 75, Monty Ball, Donnie Shelton, Levi Norwood, Austin Hill, and Cam Newton. There you go. Thank you very much, buddy. I appreciate it.